Welcome to Fridays with Phil, number 52, the How Can I Make Progress No Matter What the Performance of the Stock Market Is edition. Here's one simple idea we implement with our private clients. Calculate your spending rate and track it every quarter. Now, this is not a dollar amount, but a percentage of gross income that is used for living expenses. For example, 200,000 in gross income with 10,000 a month of living expenses annualized to 120,000 will give you a spending rate of 0.6 or 60%. Now, why is this important? Spending rate affects your ability to not only pay debt, but take opportunities and eventually be able to make work optional. Here's a pro tip. The more you make, try to keep your spending rate the same or even decrease. Not only will this help avoid what we call spending creep, but it will also allow for exponential net worth growth. Remember, what gets monitored gets improved. Hope this helps. Have a great week.